Welcome to Twin Birds. Today let's make chilaquiles. For this recipe we will need 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped tomatoes, some coriander leaves. We have 3 different types of chilies and 3 pods of garlic, 1 bay leaf and 1 tablespoon rock salt. We also have some apple, cooked chicken pieces, chicken stock, tamarind pulp, paneer grated, half onion sliced, some cheese, cream and some coriander leaves. We also need fried tortilla. First let's fry all. Let's add chilies, bay leaf, onion and garlic and tomatoes and some coriander leaves and roast them for 1 minute. At this point we can turn off the stove and allow it to cool down, and then we can grind it. We can just cut them into triangles. And we can fry them in oil. We can now add all the ingredients along with salt. You can separate the bay leaf. You can now add the apples for grinding. You can add little bit of water and you can grind it. And in a pan, now filter the contents of the jar and bring the contents to boil along with chicken stock. Pour the chicken stock in and tamarind juice. Now bring it to boil. Now the salsa started to boil. Now you can add in the crispy tortillas. Allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes, but it should not be completely soft. Now you can add some of these and add cheese and melt this into the microwave safe container and melt the cheese using an omelette. Add some salt. Now add the chicken pieces. Now add the cooked chicken. Now add the cooked chicken pieces. Then add chopped onion. Then finely grated paneer. Then some cream. Add cream. Now add some coriander leaves. Add the cooked egg. Chilaquiles is now ready to serve.